Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John.
Hi, Pocky. Which Play-Doh state will we talk about today? Thanks, Pocky. Do you know what this says? California. California. Let's find California on this map. Can you find it? It's right here, all the way over here. There's California. Pocky, can you tell us what the capital of California is? Thanks, Pocky. Sacramento. Sacramento is the capital of California. It looks like they have the same amount of letters in them. They do. The capital and the state have the same amount of letters. Let's see how many that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a long capital and state name. Let's make the shape of California using Play-Doh. There's the shape of California, and there's the shape of California. Let's color the state flag of California. Thanks, Mr. Nussbaum. California was the 31st state to join the Union. They joined in 1850. Their state nut is an almond. Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Please press the like button below this video and share with your friends. Have a lovely day.